Elf thing. No, I just have a buff Orlando Bloom thing, apparently. Every once in a while, it just pops into my head, and I'm like, yes, Orlando Bloom continues to be blessed. Let's sniff this rumor in the bud. You can just say Stacy has an elf thing. That's fine. And Legolas aged backwards. Seems to be people who don't age. Orlando Bloom, Paul Rudd. Yeah. Have you seen that meme? This one. This one cracks me up. Hang on. We'll do this and then we'll get back to knitting for real. Have you guys seen this meme? Artist rendering of the Avengers aged up? And Paul Rudd just looks like Paul Rudd. That's the joke. Anyway, that meme also lives in my head rent-free. Really, no one in my head is paying rent. And maybe that's why my brain hurts and I'm broke. I think that's it. I think I just had a shower thought. Who's got the Will Ferrell nudes then? I don't want to see that. That is something I did not ask for and do not want. How rude of them. I know, put Paul Rudd back up. So I'm looking up Chris Evans nude and there's a different dude named Chris Evans also posting nude. I also hope Pink is in an incognito tab. Oh, jeez. Anyway. The best part was when Lizzo responded back and was like, man, it happens. I laughed real hard. Alright, anyway, this is enough. There's a video of Will. I don't want it. The British TV host from the 90s, Chris Evans. I could live without seeing that.